Okay, so we have seen that what is about the regular expression and how we can express it, how the different combination of regular expression can actually create more complex regular expression. So we will see some example over here. For example, the first one, an example we can say something like, let's take this one. Suppose the first one is 0 plus 1 0 star. Now what does it mean? This means that the corresponding string that is generated from this language of this one, if this is a regular expression, I'm sorry, I should not have, second brace over here. I should technically, you must have first opening brace. Okay. So technically, the string that is generated from this language, so I'm sorry, should be equal to what? It can be either 0 because I have a plus, that means either this side or this side possible, but not combination of them. Why not combination of them possible, I am saying? Because I don't have any star above this bracket. If I don't have any star above this bracket, then you cannot consider some combination of the left one as well as right one. So that means the first one that we have 0 possible, a possible string of this language. Second possible string of the language can be 1 0. Third possible of the string can be 1 0 0. In this way, I can have 1, then 0 0, n number of zeros possible. But after a 0, you cannot have an 1. Why? The reason is that either this one you have to take or this one, this side, because I have a plus. With respect to the corresponding regular expression we have seen, with respect to this particular rule, I have seen that basically this one is generated due to rule number A, where x and y are two different production rule, and L of x plus y is equal to union either L of x or L of y. So similar thing, either L of x is 0 only because only 0 is there, no other thing, or L of y, and L of y is 1 0 star. So 1 0 star will contain 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 any 0, even one thing I forgot to left, that is only 1. This is also possible because after 0 I have a star, and in case of star we have seen in the first class of the rotor theory, I have shown you that star mean any combination including lambda, I mean including null. So that means there is a possibility that after 1 there will be no 0. Instead of 1 star, if the language was something like this, L of 0 plus 1 0 plus, then it will be what? It can be 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0, n number of 0, but up to this one it is okay. But if you put 1, we, yes, uh, yes, if you put only 1, if you just include 1, sorry, in this case, if you include 1, you are wrong, because after 1 you must have at least 1 0. That's why plus is given. The meaning of the plus also we have See, so one should not be present in this situation. Now, for example, take another situation, something like 0 star, then 1, then 0 star. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that the string that will be generated from this language will have a pattern something like this, and you see, I don't have anything above this 1. I don't have any star or plus, a single one. And this one you can individually considering this one something like this. So this one you can easily consider as something like L of, suppose L of x y, I'm sorry, y plus should not be there. It should be L of x y z such that x is a regular expression which is equal to 0 star, y is another regular expression which is 1, and z is another regular expression which is again 0 star. Now concatenation among them is following this one. Like that means here we are considering this rule number 2. So basically this will follow something like what? Like any combination of 0 including null followed by a 1 and followed by any combination of 0 including null. So that means if you take the number of possible strings, the first one that I will say will be 1 only. Assuming that I have nothing in the left, nothing, no 0 in the left, no 0 in the right. Then I can say 0 1 or maybe 1 0 or maybe 0 1 0 or any number of zeros, then a 1, then any number of 1, any number of zeros again. So if someone asks you, I mean someone if you want to say verbally about the language, you must say that it is a combination of ones and zeros, a binary string having one at least, I mean sorry, not at least, you must say having exactly 1 in the string. I mean exactly 1 1. I mean I must say that what about the language? A binary string having exactly 1 1 1, this one as a symbol like this. There is no care about number of zeros. You see, in this particular statement, I don't care about the number of zeros, but I care about the number of 1, that is exactly 1. In this way, you can verbally represent this particular language. A similar type of language, I mean similar type of regular expression can be something like a plus b star, suppose, okay, a plus b star, then abb. What does it mean? You see, just, I mean, look at it very carefully. As we know that we can break a regular expression into combination of many regular expression because of these rules for A, B and C. That means the first differentiate we can do with respect to this part. Say over here, in one side I have A plus B star and another side I have A, B, B. Concatenation between them will generate the language that is represented by this current regular expression as a whole, right? Now if you look in the left this side, A plus B star, what does it mean? Again it means that either A or B star, right? That mean either A will be there or any number of B can be there, and any number of B include nothing, right? So whatever the combination I will see, let's see this part first. The combination of this part only this part, the corresponding set of string that can be generated from this part of the regular expression, or this is itself a regular expression, right? That will be say only A or only a B or uh, any number of B. So either of these two will be there, right? And you see, it may possible to have no B, right? Just a minute. So other than this is only this part, but right side part don't have any star, they are strictly A, B, B. So that means after this one I must have an A, B and B over here. So that means about this particular string or about the language that is generated from the regular expression, verbally we can say that a combination of A and B, I'm sorry, not capital, small a and small b, that ends with ABB always. You can never say that I will not have a ABB because there is no star. If we put the star in a different way, for example, if we put the star not here, rather in this side, then what will happen? This A plus B star has changed the meaning of this part of the string a lot, because this is star is saying any combination, and inside this star, inside this bracket, it is saying A or B. That means as a whole, A plus B whole star means any combination of A or B. So that means this A plus B star will signify maybe a single A but no B is possible, or a B no A is possible. Even all A is possible, all B is possible. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, anything, any combination is possible in this way. Any combination. Because I have this star. Because using this star, we can create more characters in the string and length is infinite. But after this, I mean, ultimately, if we see about the whole regular expression, after this any combination, I have ABB. So that means here the definition will change. Instead of A, it will be any combination of A and B. In previous case, it was not any combination. Reason is that the reason is that A, this particular string is not possible to generate if the star is somewhere over here. If the star is somewhere over here, obviously ABB will be there. So if we just cut this last three part, I left 2A. Generating 2A from this A plus B star, I mean, if the star is somewhere here, it's not possible. Generating 2A. Because I have only one way to express, I mean, to include a single A, but not both 2A. That means generating this particular string is not possible from this regular expression, which is actually somehow related with some regular grammar, obviously. Now, since this string is not generate, I mean, this string is under any combination of A and B, but which is not possible to generate. So that means you cannot say for this case it is any combination of A and B. But for this case, I mean, if the situation is something like A plus B whole star, I'm sorry, not A plus B star. It should be whole star, then ABB, then you can say any combination. Because of this A plus B star, I can generate any combination. But the restriction is that it has to end with ABB always. That is the difference. Now similarly, take one more example. If I consider another language, I mean with another regular expression, something like 1 1 whole star. If the regular expression is 1 1 whole star, then the corresponding language will be generated from this regular expression is what? You see, it is 1 1 whole star. It is not 1 1 star. That means this whatever number of 1 1 has been repeated doesn't matter, but it is not possible to have a single one, because the regular expression itself say it should be 1 followed by a 1. That means if I assume that the star representing no repetition means 1 1 even not generated, so I have a lambda, a empty string, or maybe epsilon, whatever you can say. These are just symbols representing the same thing. Then the next one, if I consider only once it is repeated, then I will have 1 1. If I consider 2 times repeated, then it will be 1 1 1 1 or 1 1 1 1 1 1 in this way. So it is representing a string of 1 where number of 1 is always even. But if you try to find, if you see write somehow it is some string as 1 1 1, it is entirely wrong. This is not possible to generate from the string. So in this way, you can realize it much more if you have a practice on finding the regular expressions of different type of regular from the grammar or different type of language. So you can just practice in your home to realize different type of regular expression. um, and there is obviously the number of regular expression is infinite. As many as you will think, the different approach, different type of regular expression you will find. So we have just defined the regular expression in a nutshell.